Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 15. Not getting a bank statement.
How may I help you?
I'm having a problem.
What is it?
I apparently owe some fees, but I never got the bank statement.
I do apologize for that.
My fees went up, but I didn't even know I had fees to pay.
I see your problem.
What are you going to do about it?
I will cancel the fees you owe.
I don't have to pay any fees.
You'll only have to pay the initial fee.
That's fine. I appreciate your help.
What can I do for you?
I have a serious problem.
Explain it to me.
I never got a bank statement for fees that I owe.
I'm sorry, but I guess we didn't send a statement out.
My fees increased because I didn't know about my fees.
I see where that is a problem.
Can you fix it?
I will cancel the fees that you owe.
You're canceling all the fees?
You still need to pay the initial fee.
That'll be fine.
May I help you?
I have a problem.
What's your problem?
I owe fees, but a bank statement never came in the mail about it.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
I have no idea about the fee, so my fees went up.
I understand your problem.
Will you be able to solve my problem?
I'm going to cancel the fees you owe.
So, I don't have to pay any of it?
The initial fee still must be paid.
That's fabulous. Thank you very much.